வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். நம்ம இந்த எபிசோடில் என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி குரூப் 1ல் 2015 இந்தியன் பாலிட்டி, அதாவது இந்திய அரசியலமைப்பு சம்பந்தமாக கேட்கப்பட்ட கேள்விகள். மொத்தம் 23 கேள்விகள், 23 கொஸ்டின்ஸ். சரிங்களா, பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். தி அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேட்டிவ் ரிஃபார்ம்ஸ் கமிஷன் ஆஃப் இந்தியா வாஸ் செட் அப் ஆன் 5th January 1966 under the chairmanship of A. K. Hanumandayya, B. H. C. Mathur, C. G. S. Patak, D. Morarji R. Desai. The correct answer is D. Morarji R. Desai. Second question. The Supreme Court of India in Indian Union has more powers than any other Supreme Court in any part of the world. Who said so? A. S. M. Sikri, B. Sir Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, C. M. C. Setalwad, D. Justice Kania. The correct answer is B. Sir Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer. Third question. Consider the following two statements regarding the consisting of assertion and reasoning. Select the correct answer. Quotes given below. Assertion. The Administrative Reforms Commission recommended Lokpal and Lok Ayukta. Reasoning. These are for the redressal of citizen grievances. A. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation to A. B. Both A and R are correct but R is not the explanation to A. C. A is true, R is false. D. A is false and R is correct. But correct answer is A. Both R and A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation to A. Fourth question. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? A. Article 153, Office of the Governor. Article 156, Term of the Governor. Article 154, Executive Authority of the Governor. Article 155, Removal of the Governor. The correct answer is D. Article 155, Removal of the Governor. Fifth question. Which one of the following statement is or true with regard to formulation of government? A. There is a rule in the business of government which mentions that single largest party that gets majority will form the government. B. There is no written rules on inviting a single largest party by the second largest party to form the government. It is a convention. C. There is a provision in part 1 of the Constitution. D. Representation of People Act provides for inviting the largest party to form the government. The correct answer is B. There is no written rule on inviting the single largest party by the second largest party to form the government. So it's a convention only. Sixth question. Match list 1 with 2. Banking Companies Act 1966, Special Bearers Bonds Ordinance 1980, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act Ordinance 1984, Terrorist Affected Areas Ordinance 1981. The correct answer is C. 2413. That is the Banking Companies Ordinance, that is 1980, Special Bearers Bonds Ordinance 1981, Unlawful Activities Prevention Ordinance 1966, Terrorist Affected Areas Ordinance 1984. Seventh question. The Protection of Civil Rights Act came into force on A. 19th December 1974, B. 19th November 1976, C. 19th December 1975, D. 19th November 1977. The correct answer is B. 19th November 1976. Eighth question. Which one of the following persons is the ex-officio chairman of the Rules Committee, General Purpose Committee and Business Advisory Committee? A. The Speaker, B. A member elected by the House, C. The Deputy Speaker, D. A member of ruling party. The correct answer is A. The Speaker. Ninth question. Match the following establishment of states and choose the correct one. 36th Amendment, Goa. 13th Amendment, Manipur and Tripura. 27th Amendment, Sikkim. 56th Amendment, Nagaland. So the direct answer is A. 3412. That is 36th Amendment is Sikkim. 13th Amendment is Nagaland. 27th Amendment is Manipur and Tripura. 56th Amendment is Goa. 10th question. Which of the following are major features of constitutional of Lokpal and Lokayukta as recommended by the Administrative Reforms Commission? 1. They should be demonstrably independent and impartial. 2. They should compare with the highest judicial functionary in the country. 3. They should be directly accountable to the Parliament. 4. Their appointment should be as far as possible non-political. The choices are A. 1 and 4, B. 1, 2 and 4, C. 1, 2, 3 and 4, D. None of the above are 1, 2, 3. The correct answer is B. 1, 2 and 4. 11th question. The Indian Constitution describes legislative relations between Union and states in article from A. Articles 245 to 255, B. Article 256 to 263, C. Articles 264 to 267, D. Articles 268 to 276. The answer is A. Articles 245 to 255. 12th question. Article 25 of the Constitution of India guarantees A. Right to religion, B. Right to property, C. Right to life, D. Right to equality. The correct answer is A. Right to religion. 13th question. Which one of the following is not normally prescribed device available to the members of the Parliament? A. Question hour, B. 0 hour, C. Half an hour discussion, D. Short duration discussion. The correct answer is B. 0 hour. 14th question. The National Commission to Review the Working of the Constitution was set up in the year A. 2001, B. 2004, C. 2003, D. 2002. The correct answer is D. 2002. 15th question. Match. 4th schedule, division of powers. 7th schedule, seat allotted to the Council of States. 11th schedule, languages. And 8th schedule, 73rd Amendment. The correct answer is 2143. That is 4th schedule, that is seats allotted in the Council of States. And 7th schedule, it talks about division of power. And 11th schedule, it's a 73rd Amendment. And 8th schedule, it's all languages. 16th question. Which one of the following amendments was called a revision of the Constitution and it introduced changes in preamble as many as 53 Article 7th schedule? A. 40th Amendment, B. 42nd Amendment, C. 41st Amendment, D. 43rd Amendment. The correct answer is B. 42nd Amendment. 17th question. Which of the following recommendations are made by the Administrative Reforms Commission to improve relations between the political and permanent executive? 1. Ministers should try to develop a climate of fearlessness and fair play among senior officers. 2. Ministers should not intervene in a day-to-day administrative except in case of severe maladministration. 3. The official relationship of secretary to minister should be one of the confidence, of that of minister to secretary one of the loyalty. 4. Prime Minister should take special interest to arrest or growing unhealthy personal affiliations. 5. All major decisions should be briefly reduced to writings. The choices are A. 1, 2, 4 and 5, B. 1, 2, 3 and 5, C. 2, 3 and 4, D. 1, 2 and 5. The correct answer is A. 1, 2, 4 and 5. 18th question. Which is are correct relating to the tribunals? 1. Part 15 of the Indian Constitution deals with the tribunals. 2. Article 323A deals with the administrative tribunals and Article 323B deals with the tribunals for other matters. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, D. Neither 1 nor 2. The correct answer is B. 2 only. 19th question. Which of the following are matters on which the constitutional amendment is possible only with the ratification of legislatures of not less than one of the states? 1. Election of the President. 2. Representation of states in Parliament. 3. Any of the list in the 7th schedule. 4. Abolition of Legislative Council in the state. Choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. A. 1 and 2 and 3. B. 1, 2 and 4. C. 1, 3 and 4. D. 2, 3 and 4. The correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. Choice A. 20th question. This cession of a state from the Indian Union has been barred by A. 16th Amendment, B. 22nd Amendment, C. 29th Amendment, D. 35th Amendment. The correct answer is 16th Amendment, choice A. 21st question. Consider the following statements. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India is responsible for the audit of the account of 1. Union government, 2. State government, 3. The governments of union territories, 4. Urban and local bodies. Which of these statements are correct? Choices are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 2, 3 and 4, C. 1, 2 and 4, D. 1, 2 and 4. The correct choice is A. 1, 2 and 3. 22nd question. Which is the peculiar nature in the Indian Federation? A. Equal distribution of powers between the center and state, B. Strong center, C. Strong states, D. Strong local bodies. The correct choice is B. Strong center. 23rd question. In which one of the case the passport is considered as a part of personal liberty? A. A.K. Gopal in 1950, B. Indian Express newspapers 1985, C. Arumugam 1953, D. Mena Gandhi 1978. The correct answer is D. Mena Gandhi 1978. 24th question. Which of the schedule deal with the division of powers between states and union? A. 4th, B. 6th, C. 7th, D. 9th. The correct answer is C. 7th. So thank you very much. So we will see 2 more videos also from Indian Constitution. So thank you very much.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்க போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.